Hello, welcome to the video tutorials of Blender. In this video we are going to talk about the volume option which is not available. So we are going to enable this option so that we can import our VDB file into the Blender. So we are not going to import it, but just we are going to installing the another software of this Blender. You can see here our version is 2.82 Blender, and I will link this Blender link into the description from where you can to download this 2.83 beta version of the Blender. After installing this, downloading this, I have already installed this. I'm going to open this 2.83 version of Blender. You can see here in the right hand corner 2.83 is written there, and here you can see our volume option is available in 2.83. Here in the 2.82 the volume option is not available, and inside the 2.83 the volume option is available. Here's how you can import your VDB simulation here. So thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt regarding this software or anything inside this Blender, you have to comment in the comment box. I will sure upload more videos on this, and thanks for supporting us. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get the latest update. I will upload uh, information videos like this, and thanks for watching.